So Austin's going to have to pay you a couple bucks here at the end.
Well, essentially, I'll have to pay myself for him raising money. By him drinking the beers, I have to.
You have to match it.
So for the whole 2 more for Trooper thing came from every driver that drank 2 more than their required beer. I donated $10.
Well, that's a good cause though. Having fun, same time, but doing the right thing for pets.
That's the thing. If I knew that while we were doing a hobby that is fun, that when we were doing it, mostly it was just all of us in our sim rig rooms, not just benefiting ourselves.
Yep.
So I saw an opportunity to do more with that time.
Help out the animals. Help out a lot of dogs.
Yeah. My goal is that we'll raise $5,000 in 2024, and I hope to surpass that.
Absolutely. This will be off to a good start for January.
Exactly.
Good deal.